Hey guys, this is Mimi's braids. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my crochets. I will be doing crochet braids. Right now I have like conditioner in it. I just now took out my old crochet braids and I put some like deep conditioner in it, and I'm going to comb it, and then after that I'm going to wash my hair. Okay, I just now washed and conditioned it, and I just blow dried it out. And like the back of my hair is like really short because what happened was I was natural for about 3 years, and then I had I put a relaxer in it, and that kind of like messed my hair up really bad. I just went back to putting crochets back in my hair because before I did the relaxer, I used to always wear crochets, and I saw that my hair was growing and growing, so now I have to start over. And it's been like a year, and like the back, it still hasn't grown back. It's like really short. So I'm going to show you what I do like for the back, for those of you that has short hair but it's a little catchable. I'm going to show y'all what I do. What you're going to need, you're gonna need some rubber bands, because once I start braiding, I'm going to like braid and connect. All right, y'all, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out where I want my part at. So I usually get my part on this side, so I just part it to wherever you want to part it. And I'm looking in my mirror. I need to move the camera up some so I can see. Hold on. I'm right to fall. And this is where my part is. Let me show y'all the hair that I'm going to install. This is the hair. I don't know if I can see it. This is the light. It's Brazilian curl, and it's 20 inches. And I usually cut my hair in half, but this time I'm not going to cut it in half because I want the full length. And I hope that come out right, because it's my first time trying this kind of curl pattern, so hopefully it comes out right. And this is a 1B. And I'm just doing my first braid. I'm not gonna do my braids real small because the smaller your braids, the more full it's going to be, and I don't want that much hair. Like, I want it to be full, but I don't want it to be too full. That's the first part, and I'm about to start braiding. Wait, I got some hair. Like, this hair is not going to show. I just needed something to grip like my edges so like my hair can last longer. And I just take a little bit, not that much of it, and kind of braid it in there. So it don't have to be perfect because the hair gonna be covered, so I don't do mine that perfect. I'm going ahead and braid my hair down because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair down, and I will show y'all my braiding pattern. Okay, y'all, I went ahead and did the first braid. Like, what you want to do is you want to fill the braid up. Like, you want to make sure that it's not showing. That's what I did. And I kind of left some out in the back. Like, I kind of spaced it out in the back because I don't want it to be too full. Like I was saying, like with this hair, like it came like this, so I'm putting like maybe 4 together so it won't take so long. It will like if I do 4 together, it'll take up a good bit of the braid. So I'm going to show you how I put this on. So this is what I do. First, I take my crochet and I stick it in the braid. I stick it like that, and make sure that this right here is open when you stick it through, because if you don't, then it's going to like get tingled in your hair. And then you want to take this, you want to take it like this, and then like open it like that, and then latch it. You want all the hair to be in a latch, then close it and then pull it through. Once you pull it through, it's gonna look like this. And then you're going to open it again, and you're going to take this piece and you're going to take this piece right here and put it in. You're going to grab it and pull it through, twist it, pull it through again, and there go your knot. That's how it's going to be, okay? yeah, this is the final look. This is the back. I didn't do any cutting to it. Here's the front. Like, it's kind of like too full right now, so once I put like a bonnet on it, then it should like flatten it, so it won't be so much here. Like, it's too much. And I'm gonna put some edge control on my edges. Okay, y'all, this is a finished look. If you like this look, or like this tutorial, please leave a comment below. If you would like any more tutorials, please comment below. But I do other hairstyles. Like, you can look on my page. Go to Braids by Mimi on Instagram or Facebook, and you can see my work that I've done. Like I said, it's my first time using this kind of curl pattern, and it's kind of like, I don't know, it's okay, but I don't know, I might have to try to style it or something. But like I said, please give this video a thumbs up and like and subscribe.